Hi traders, in today's video I am going to talk about the worst 3 trading mistakes that you can do, and these 3 mistakes can ruin your entire trading career. First of all, it is the lack of a clear trading plan. Without it, you can't even start trading because there are 3 things that you can remember. First of all, what you need is consistency. How you can do it? With a great trading plan that is clear. And without consistency, you can't even stay profitable for a month. And most likely, you are going to blow your entire account. This is the first reason why consistency and a clear trading plan is so important. And of course, if you have a clear trading plan, you can follow your risk management strategy much more naturally. And then you are going to become a machine of trading. And then there is focus. Without focus, you can't even trade, because what you are going to do without it, you are going to chase the macro market trends. And if you are chasing those trends, those short-term trends, at the end of the day, I've seen hundreds of traders, you are going to blow your account. So a clear trading plan can really help you, because then you can only trade if your setup allows you to trade. And if you're interested in setups, you can check out on my channel. I have a couple of great setups for beginner and semi-advanced traders as well. Second of all, overtrading. Overtrading is the killer of all traders, because if you overtrade and also you are using a lot size that is too big for an institution, not for just a retail trader, then very soon you are going to lose all your capital, and that is not good. The emotional draining aspect of overtrading is also highly dangerous, because if you are overtrading, you are going to notice that you won't be able to really sleep or focus on anything else, but in a bad way, not in a good focusing way, but your emotions are going to go wild, and you will be opening so much unnecessary positions that it is a cycle when, because of your overtrading, you are going to overtrade even more. I have seen this so many times, and in my opinion, now you take a look into your soul and you can see those moments in your life yourself. Of course, overtrading carries too much risk for any retail trader, and if you are trading with your money that you can't lose, the first rule is only trade with the amount that you can burn in your backyard. But if you don't want to lose all your money, don't risk more than 2 or maximum 3% per trade, and don't carry more than 2 trades at once per currency pair. This is the golden rule. This way, it is highly unlikely that you are going to blow any account in the future. It sounds good, right? You should avoid this highly dangerous mistake. It is ignoring risk management. It sounds stupid, but I think 90% of the traders completely ignore risk management, not in their heads before they start trading, but once they are trading, they completely ignore risk management. They just go into the trade, and maybe they open it at the right place, but then they can't wait until their rules, their stop loss, their take profit is fulfilled. And This is why most traders don't have the desired risk to reward ratio. And you should know that an entry strategy is important, but an exit strategy is even more important. It is 3 times more important than any entry strategy. Because at the end of the day, if you open at a good place, you can still lose. But if you close at a good place, you can make a bad trade a good trade. So it is more important than the entry strategy. So never ignore your risk management. I hope these tips were very useful for you, and you must subscribe to my channel and check out my website, like the video, and also comment.